Turn your photo into Ghibli art. Yes, you are listening right. Welcome to How to Do It. I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how to turn your photo into Ghibli art, how to make Ghibli arts. Many people saying it Ghibli art, but it is Ghibli art. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel for get more videos like this. Now let's make Ghibli art. Yes, if you want to make Ghibli arts, then you can make unlimited free Ghibli art using what I gonna let you know, because now Ghibli art very popular. Ghibli art is posted on every social media. People are creating Ghibli arts, they are sharing Ghibli arts with the friends, family. They are sharing Ghibli art on every social media. Now everyone thinking about that, what this is Ghibli art. Let's make Ghibli art for you. Like, share, subscribe and hit bell icon. Now learn how to make Ghibli art. First of all, you can do these things on many platforms, like one second, like this one. This is Chat GPT. I uploaded a video over here, oh sorry, photo over here, and it's just showing that how to make your photo like this. Now I am going to show you unlimited way, that is Grok. You have to go to the grok.com, choose your email address or your Twitter account. Now click on this and select your file which you want to convert into Ghibli art. One second, I want to convert image into Ghibli art. One second, which one should I create? Oh, this one. I am selecting this one and writing convert to Ghibli art and press enter. It will start converting it to Ghibli art. Wait a while. Till now I want to show you on mobile phone. Just we have a Grok beta app. We have uploaded image and convert to Ghibli art, and it's converted to this image, that was this one, and converted to this one. Now you can click on save over here, and you can save it on your mobile phone. Now it is converting my image into a Ghibli art. That's how you can make a Ghibli art of your image. So that's the way how you can convert. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, don't subscribe and hit bell icon for get more Ghibli art videos.